Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Mild tremor across South Goa in afternoon. Several houses in Betul develop cracks. Police talathi inspect area. IMD confirms quake near Andaman Nicobar. No full-time principals in government colleges. Complex rules for principals' appointment a roadblock. Workload, less pay, no job security. Candidates reluctant. Keri villagers allege bridge to facilitate golf course. Villagers oppose golf course. MLA Parsikar says Terol bridge, a demand of villagers, had assured it. Incessant rain leads to collapse of retaining wall in Ake Margao. Damages cars, motorbikes, loss worth lakhs. Locals demand quick restoration of retaining wall. And administration gearing up to control noise pollution in tourist season. Monitoring committee to crack down on loud music. Seeks report from Mamlatdar. Now the news in detail. Mild earthquake tremors were felt in South Goa at Betul and Margao on Sunday afternoon. As informed by the local sources, some houses in Tariwada, Betul have received cracks in their houses. Tremors were felt at about 2 in the afternoon. IMD report confirms that slight intensity earthquake in Nicobar Islands with 4.7 magnitude up to 60 kilometers depth. There hasn't been any warning as yet by the IMD about the tsunami.
Places in South Goa felt tremors of earthquake on Sunday afternoon. Sources inform Prudent that in Margao slight intensity tremors were felt, while in Betul it was much intense and higher as compared to Margao. Sources say some houses in Betul have received cracks. As per the reports, some houses in Tariwada, Betul felt earthquake tremors. Slight intensity tremors were felt in Margao. 5 houses in Betul received cracks. 20 houses felt quake tremors. Utensils tumbled in some of the houses. Kunkoli police and talathi visited Betul area.
ती थोडा घरातली थोड्यांची आयदनां पडलें दोगां 2-3 घरा भितर क्रॅक गेलो येयलो पयलीं हाल्ल्या भशेन जालें वायब्रेशन जाल्ल्या भशेन जालें म्हणपालें मागीर डब करून आवाज जाल्ल्या भशेन आयलो कळ्ळें मोस्टली 20 सुमार घरांनी सुमार हें जालो आवाज येयलो तांकां एरिया हय 4-5 घरांनी क्रॅक पडले.
Meanwhile, as per the IMD report, slight intensity earthquake was felt in Nicobar Islands with a 4.6 magnitude up to 60 kilometers on Sunday in the morning hours at around 8 hours 26 minutes. However, there has been no warning as yet from the IMD regarding the tsunami. Bureau Report Prudent.
Terol villagers have accused government of constructing a bridge without taking them into confidence. They claim the bridge is being constructed to facilitate a leading hotel for their upcoming golf course project. Terol villagers have sternly opposed golf course project in their village. Villagers are annoyed as their local MLA, the Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsikar, for avoiding to meet them from past 2 years. Parsikar says bridge was a demand of Terol villagers and he had assured it.
Tirakolso Bridge Konak. Tirakol Karang wo leading hotelacha faydyak. Amche Dubao Pois Korat. These are the slogans of Terol villagers against the construction of Keri Terol Bridge. Villagers allege that the bridge is being constructed to assist a leading hotel in their upcoming golf course project. Terol priest Jevino Pereira says villagers are not against the bridge, but it should not be with a motive to facilitate a golf course.
आमकां ब्रिज जाय कित्याक जाय ती कारणां आसात जी ब्रिजांतल्यान आमकां बऱ्याक पडटली उदक येतलें केबल येतलो आनी कितें येतलो पूण हो ब्रिज आमकां गव्हर्मेंटान करून दिवपाक जाय आनी तिराकोलच्या फायद्याक आनी विथ ड्यू परमिशन NOC फ्रॉम पंचायत फ्रॉम पोल्युशन बोर्ड आनी जमीन एक्वायर करून लोकांक बराबर घेवन लोक कितें म्हणटा ते प्रमाणे आमी तो ब्रिज बांदून घेवचो आनी आमी तांकां तेंको आसतलो. दुसरो कोण बांदता आनी त्याच्या फायद्याक बांदता आमच्या फायद्याक न्हय ते तसली वस्तू आमकां नाका.
Father Jivino Pereira also said Lakshmikant Parsekar is not ready to meet the Terol villagers on the issue. Since past 2 years, villagers are trying to seek an appointment with their local MLA, but he avoids.
आमी जायती फावटी आमच्या परिकराक सीएमाक मेळ्ळ्यात आनी आमचे प्रश्न घातल्यात तांचे मुखार आनी जायती वस्तू सांगल्यात. आमचे लोकल एमएलएशी आमी वचपाक जायते प्रयत्न केलो आनी आमचेच प्रतिनिधींनी सॅमसन म्हणटात तो ताचेन आमचे अपॉइंटमेंट मागलेलो पूण तो म्हणूंक लागलो आमकां पाद्री नवे आसात तांकां पयलें बघून घेवन दी मागीर पळोवया. आज पासून अपॉइंटमेंट तांचो आमकां मेळूंक ना. आमच्या गांवांत आमी आयल्यात 2 वर्सां येतली तो आमच्या गांवांत येवंक ना आनी ते गांवांत कांयच करूंक ना अशें लोकूय म्हणटात.
Prudent contacted Lakshmikant Parsekar. He said Keri Terol bridge was the demand of the people. He has fulfilled the assurance. The bridge is for the people. Punch of Terol Francis Diego Rodriguez said bridge is a need for the betterment of Terol and should not be to facilitate the golf course.
कोण पूल करता आनी कितें करता हें आमकां कांय समजना आनी जेन्ना हो पूल करूंक सुरू जाल्यात तो प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर करिनासतना हो पूल सुरू जाला तेन्ना तो प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर करून सरकारान लँड एक्विजिशन करून ताब्यान घेवन तो पूल करूचो.
Reporter Mahesh Kadi for Prudent.
No government college has a full-time principal except the Cape College. However, the Cape principal too is also holding the additional charge as Director Higher Education. New recruitment rules have made the appointment process of principals more complex. Right candidate and educational qualification, more workload and comparatively less pay, no job security are some of the major hurdles faced in taking up the post of the principal. Watch report.
This is the state of affairs in the 5 government colleges across the state. None have the full-time principal. Simarath is holding principal's additional charge since past many years at Khandola Government College. In Sankli, Lucy James, Margao Dr. George, whereas in Pedne, Gervasio Mendes are acting principals since long. Cape College is the only college with the full-time principal. However, Bhaskar Naik too has additional charge as a Director of Higher Education, which takes almost 70% of his duty hours. We spoke with the Vice Chancellor of Goa University, Dr. Satish Shetye, and Director of Higher Education, Bhaskar Naik. They had a reasoning.
आता ते रिक्रुटमेंट रूल्स आमचे फायनल स्टेजीक आसा. शॉर्टली दे विल बी नोटिफाईड. प्रिन्सिपलाचो पोस्ट टेन्युअर पोस्ट. एवरी प्रिन्सिपल इज अपॉइंटेड फॉर अ पिरियड ऑफ 5 years, फर्दर एक्सटेंडेबल बाय अनदर 5 years. पूण ताजी 5 वर्सां नंतर फुडें कितें जातलें दॅट पार्ट नोबडी नोज. 15 वर्सां अनुभव जाय पडटा ताका आनी त्या लेवला भितर तो ज्या पगाराचेर आसता ताका एक 2-3 हजार रुपया मायज पगार मेळून देर इज नो इन्सेंटीव एज सच. वेल्यान तुका खूब प्रिन्सिपल म्हणजे जबाबदारी खूब आयल्यो. त्या जे जाग्यार पोस्ट प्रिन्सिपलाक एडवर्टायज केल्यार ते जाग्यार पोस्ट प्रिन्सिपलाच्या हाका कॅटेगरीक लोक मेळूना.
University Grants Commission has put on new demands as far as qualifications of a principal is concerned. So that has aggravated the situation. Appointing somebody and in a government system is not easy. And very often they get challenged in courts and so on. So you are automatically more careful as far as appointments are concerned. I think all these factors add up in creating the situation that we have.
Director claims the colleges function quite well even with the acting principals.
आणि फुडल्या 3 महिन्यांत हे गव्हर्मेंट कॉलेजांची जे जाग्या वयले पोस्ट आसात वेकंट हे सगळे पोस्ट भरतले. आमी भरतले अशें हांव तुका म्हणटा इज सब्जेक्ट टू द कंडिशन दॅट पयलीं पीपल शूड बी अवेलेबल आनी ताजे नंतर दे शूड बी क्वॉलिफायड. पूण प्रिन्सिपल रेग्युलर नात म्हणून आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सेक्टरांतले खंयच कांय सोडूं ना. इन टर्म्स ऑफ देर परफॉर्मन्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ देर रिजल्ट्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रँक्स कितें म्हण आनी सेल्फलेसली ते काम करता. आतां दे आर ऑल क्वॉलिफायड. ऑल ऑफ देम पजेस PhD एक्सेप्ट वन ऑफ देम. ऑल ऑफ देम पजेस PhD. तांकां सगळी क्वॉलिफिकेशन्स आसात. But they are, whether they will apply also, I do not know.
Dr. Shetye says that there are solutions but aren't easy.
Government is fully aware of the problems. It is not as if, and they are trying to resolve it. And I think we need to sit together and resolve it. You know, solutions are not going to be easy, but we will need to find some solutions.
Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.